Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the 876 commercial complex. This is the massive development of Mandela Highway by ferry in St. Catherine. Now this development has a lot of warehouses, some of the largest warehouses you're going to find in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. And also, as you can see, quite a few are still being built. Kingston 876 is well positioned to play a significant role in Jamaica's journey toward becoming a regional logistics and outsourcing powerhouse. With global supply chains evolving and nearshoring gaining importance, Jamaica's location and the infrastructure provided by developments like 876 give the country a competitive edge. Its success will depend on continued investment in transport connectivity, workforce training, digital infrastructure, and ongoing ease of doing business. Partnerships between government, investors, and local communities will be vital to sustaining momentum and ensuring the benefits are widely shared. Located strategically at the intersection of Mandela Highway and Tom Kringle Drive in Ferry St. Andrew, the 876 commercial complex, also known as Kingston 876, is emerging as one of Jamaica's most ambitious business infrastructure projects. Spanning approximately 94 acres, this development marks a bold step towards reshaping Jamaica's commercial and industrial landscape by positioning itself as a logistics, warehousing, and business process outsourcing (BPO) hub for the Caribbean. The 876 commercial complex was conceptualized with a clear goal to capitalize on Jamaica's central location in the Americas and its proximity to major shipping routes. Its development aligns with government policy aimed at transforming Jamaica into a logistics-centered economy. With the nearby Kingston Wharves and Norman Manley International Airport, the 876 complex offers unmatched logistical efficiency for companies involved in global trade, e-commerce, distribution, and regional shipping. The site is being developed by Cascade Group Jamaica, with the vision of attracting both large and small businesses across various sectors. Early anchor tenants include Nestle Jamaica, which constructed a modern distribution center, and Tropical Battery, which moved its headquarters into the complex. The introduction of a 100,000 square foot BPO facility by CEAC Outsourcing further adds to the site's strategic significance, with expectations to generate over 2,000 jobs in the outsourcing and services industry. Additionally, modular warehouse spaces and flexible lots are available for manufacturing, logistics, and technology-based firms. The developers have opted against applying for the site to become a single special economic zone. Instead, individual tenants are encouraged to register as SEZs in order to access tax and regulatory benefits. This flexible approach opens the door for a wider array of businesses to enter. The projected economic impact of the 876 commercial complex is substantial. At full build-out, it is expected to house over 30 to 35 businesses and create over 10,000 jobs, directly and indirectly. These range from entry-level positions in logistics and customer service to managerial and technical jobs in operations and IT. The complex also contributes to urban decongestion by decentralizing economic activity from traditional hotspots like downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree. With its location close to Portmore, Spanish Town, Old Harbour, and Linstead, it has a potential to serve as a regional economic nucleus for southern and western St. Andrew. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.